Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a motion flyer on Adobe Photoshop and any video editing device that you would like to use. So I'm just going to add this photo here, and I am going to select remove background on that. I'm just going to pretty much separate them into a lot of a lot of places. Okay, and then I'm going to add more stuff here, like other pictures. For instance, this is like a perfumery class. I don't know. I'm just going to remove background on pretty much all of it. I'm just going to adjust this a little bit. And then press enter, and then I'm going to add more layers to the flyer. Obviously this is very random, but you're going to pick better and more matching photos than what I have right now. Let's add this as well. It's all about the sense, you know. Let's add a few more to this. Oops, sorry. Then I'm gonna add one more object here. Then you're just going to add like a text and then name it like perfume workshop, and then you're just going to export this like one by one. So you're just going to, for instance, export this one first, and then you're going to export only this one, and then you're going to export only this one. You're just going to do that one by one until you've completed all the exporting, and then you're just going to add animations to the object one by one, as well as the text. But you can do it in your video editing app. Obviously it's gonna look way better than this. It's just, I'm just trying to make it quick and easy. Let's add a solid color underneath all of that, maybe like a pink color or a gradient even. Sorry if you can hear kids screaming, but my neighborhood is really loud. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.